Fairy smut is the best. I've been a lover of fantasy all my life. I grew up on Lord of the Rings, I love comics and anime. We used to go to Renaissance festivals semi-regularly. As kids, we learned archery so that we could hunt orcs in the forest. I especially love the fae within fantasy. I don't know, there's something about their whimsy and their danger and the way that they're divorced from reality that really captures the essence of fantasy for me. But one genre of fantasy that I had not explored before was fantasy smut. So when Tay got on Book Talk and then subsequently onto fantasy smut, she kept recommending that I read these books, and I was hesitant for a while. I hadn't really ventured into it before, but then eventually I started with this series called ACOTAR. I didn't know exactly what to expect, but good God did I get invested. There's everything you'd want out of fairy drama. There's high fae, magic powers, love, sex, betrayal, romance. It's fantastic, and I would highly recommend you read it. And you don't even have to just take my word for it. Russ's new song, Nasty, is all about book talk and fantasy smut.